All right, let's do another problem that involves two z-scores. Again, we're using the mean of 71, a standard deviation of 14. The question is, what proportion of students scored between a score of 55 and a score of 66? So we start, as always, by drawing a graph. Step 2, we have to calculate our z-scores, and there's two z-scores here this time. 55 minus 71 over 14. That equals negative 1.14, and a z of 66 minus 71 over 14. That is a z of negative 0.36. All right, that's step 2. Step 3, we put them on the graph. Negative 3.6, probably about here. Negative 0.36, and negative 1.14. About there. That is step 3. Okay. Step 4 is shading what we're looking for, what proportion scored between these two numbers. So it's right in here. That's what we're looking for. Okay, that's step 4, shading. And step 5 is go to the z-table. Before we go to the z-table, as always, let's try to see if we can figure out what we're looking for. This one's a little tricky, but again, if I was you, I would draw the column 2 and column 3 options for you to help you see it a little clearer. For every z, you got z to the mean, column 2, z to the end, column 3. For every z, z to the mean, column 2, z to the end, column 3. There's actually several ways to solve this problem. Here's one way. Why don't we take this big region right here, column 2, and subtract it from this little column 2. That should get us our shaded area, shouldn't it? Once again, you take this column 2 value, subtract this column 2 value, and you get the shaded area. Another way to do this is you take this column 3 value, subtract this column 3 value, and you get the shaded area. Okay? I hope you understand how to do that. So now we just got to go to the z-table and find those column 2 values or column 3 values and do the mathematics associated with getting that answer. Let's go to the z-table now and find those answers. All right, here we are at the z-table, again from the link from the lesson. And we have two z-scores we have to find. We have to find a z-score of 0.36 and 1.14, and we need the column 2 values of each. So let's start to find them. I bet that 0.36 should come up first. There it is right there. Okay, we need the column 2, so we got to write this down. 0.1406, that's the column 2 value. And then we need the 1.14 value. See if we can find that. There it is right there. And there's the column 2 value, 0.3729. So what we said in our problem, we want to take 0.3729 and subtract the column 2 value for 0.36, which is 0.1406. If we do that, we come up with a value of 0.2323. So basically, about 23% of people scored between 55 and 60 on the exam. Again, the answer for this problem is 0.2323.